Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to replace your side turn signal bulb. This will be pretty simple and you won't be needing any tools for this. First you will just need to grip your side emblem and turn it counterclockwise and it will just come right out. And now that the wire is exposed, do the same and turn the bulb socket counterclockwise. Now that you have access to the bulb, just pull it out and put your new one in. Once you do that, don't forget to test it. If your LED bulb doesn't light up, you may need to flip it to the correct polarization. Also, you should be replacing the bulb with the amber one, but this color was what I had laying around. And that's pretty much it. Just do everything in reverse and you're all done. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.